Students in nursing and occupational therapy are now able to practice real-life medical scenarios with the new simulation lab. Installed 4 years ago and used private grants to build the lab.
So there are certain situations that we would like to have the students have experience with, but we can't necessarily have the patients in the hospital have their heart stop for them, or have horrible congestive heart failure, or have a baby in the kind of way that we want them to learn. So here we can create those situations for them, and they learn. So it's an adjunct to what they're learning, taking care of real patients in the hospital.
Each room in the lab has different scenarios where students can practice their medical decision-making and care for patients. In this room, students are given scenarios where a baby is born.
And so if we connect this baby to this motor, and you can see the head's about to be delivered if we were going to do a birthing scenario, we can connect the baby to the motor. It actually goes into its little butt, and determine what's going to come out first. The head, which is normal, an arm, which is one way that babies are born, or the bottom, which is a breech presentation. We can determine how fast the baby's born.
So there's always some type of history on the patient, information of what's currently going on, and then we have to kind of figure out from our experience and what we're learning in theory and in clinical what we're going to do in the actual simulation.
Students say this new lab is already helping them prepare for a career in the medical field.
Around his mouth. Okay, so he's doing the shaking like he's having a seizure.
I think it's really helpful to put students in situations before they're actually dealing with real people, and so it's really important to get that experience, and so that when you're on the floor you actually know what to do and you're very calm about it.
The new simulation lab has helped students for real-life situations that occur in hospitals so they can learn and do well in their career. For ducTVnews, I'm Jillian Rodrigo.